Right, 10.6 homework. Start with number 1. We need to find the probability that the point is on AB. So our sample space is going to be the whole line, so we just add 5 plus 4 plus 3. So our whole thing is 12. And AB is 5. So what we're looking for is 5, and our whole thing is 12. So our fraction is going to be 5 over 12. Next, for number 2, what's probability that the point is on BD? So BD is this whole segment here. We know our whole thing that we're looking at, we said was 12. And BD is 7. So our fraction is 7 out of 12. Number 3, the point is on AD. So again, our whole space is 12. So now let's see what AD is. So AD is the whole line. So we add 5 plus 4 plus 3, and we get 12. So our fraction is 12 out of 12, which simplifies to 1. Next, what's the probability that the point is not on BC? So we can find the probability that it is on BC, which is 4 out of 12. We can simplify this to 1 over 3. And then since it's asking us for not on BC, we would just do 1 minus 1 over 3, which we would say 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3, which would be 2 over 3. Okay, let's look at number 5. Use the spinner to find the fractional probability of each event. So again, we have a circle here, and we know that our circle is 360 degrees, so that's going to be our whole thing. And what we're looking for is the probability of it landing in region C, and region C says that that's 120 degrees. And now we would just simplify this to 12 over 36, and 12 over 36 simplifies to 1 over 3. So that's our fractional probability of it landing in region C. Next, let's find our probability of it landing in region A. Again, our whole thing is 360. Region A is 40. So we have 40 over 360. This simplifies to 4 over 36, which simplifies to 1 over 9. Okay, next we have the probability of it not landing in region D. So first we can find what's the probability of it actually landing in region D, and then just do 1 minus that. So we have 65 over 360. This simplifies to 13 over 72. So now we would just do 1 minus 13 over 72, which we would change the 1 to 72 over 72. So we would do 72 minus 13, which would give us 59 over 72. Next, we have number 8. So we need to find the probability of the points are landing in region A or B. So we have 360 as our total, and we add A and B together. So we would add 135 plus 40 and get 95. So our probability is 95 over 360, and now we just simplify this to 19 over 72. Okay, next we need to find the probability that the point chosen randomly inside the rectangle is in each given shape. Round answers to the nearest hundredth. So first we can find the area of the whole thing because we're going to need it for each of the problems. So our area of the whole rectangle is 10 times 6, base times height. So our area of the rectangle is 60. So 60 is going to be our base here. Next, we can find the area of the circle, because that's what number 9 is asking us for. So our area of the circle is pi r squared. R is 2, so we have 4 pi. So we can multiply 4 times pi, and we get 12.56. So that's our area of the circle, 12.56. So our probability that a point chosen randomly inside the rectangle is in the circle is going to be 12.56 out of 60, which we can put this into our calculator, and we get 0.209, which if we were changing it to a percentage would be 20.9%, but it's just asking us for the decimal, so 0.029. Next, we need to find the probability that a point chosen is in the trapezoid. So we need to find the area of our trapezoid. We know the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases, so base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So we have 1/2 times 6 times 4, which is 12. So our area of the trapezoid is 12. So we have 12 over the whole thing, which is 60. We're going to put this into our calculator. So 12 divided by 60 will give us our decimal as 0.2. Next one, we need to find the probability that it's in the circle or the trapezoid. So we're just going to add the area of the circle and the area of the trapezoid together. So we have 12.56 plus 12 over our whole sample space, which is 60. So this is going to be 24.56 divided by 60, which gives us our decimal as 0.409. And lastly, that it's not in the circle and the trapezoid. So we just found our decimal if it was in the circle and trapezoid, and now we need to find not in the circle, so we would just do 1 minus that decimal, so 0.409. So 1 minus 0.409 is 0.591. Right, so this was everything for 10.6 homework. I just realized that I did number 8 incorrectly. So we're supposed to add A and B together, and it's not 95, it's 175. I don't know what I was thinking, but we have 175 over 360, which 5 goes into both of these. So we have 175 divided by 5, which is 35, and 360 divided by 5 is 72. So the answer for number 8 is 35 over 72, not this one. Sorry about that.